Okay YouTube, we are back. We are in the studio and we are about to go through all of the 7 videos that we have created on Guess the Price challenges. And these are going to be the reasons why I personally think that they have done well and continue to do well. We're going to watch every single video in here and then I'm going to break them down as we go. Starting with video number 1.
If you guess the price right, you get the shirt for free.
Good. Oh, yeah, this is fire. I like the push on it. I say like $27.50.
I mean, 30 portion on that. I say $39.99.
You was close, bro.
So the reason that I think the first video did very well was just solely because of there was like something to make the audience not know for sure if the people wanted the shirt or not, which they did. They did want the shirt. They were very appreciative. They didn't want to take it from us because they just felt like they didn't deserve the shirt. There was like some conflict in the comment section, I would say, and I would say that's reason number 1 why that video did do so well. We did sell a good amount of those shirts. As far as keeping the engagement all the way through the video, I think it was something that no one's seen before and brought a lot of attention to the entire page itself, because we did gain a decent amount of following, at least a few hundred just for, the first day of posting that video. Moving on to video number 2. This is gonna be at a different outlet. The first video was filmed in Target. This one's gonna be at an outlet mall. So let's run through this video.
You guess the price of this hoodie, you get the hoodie for free.
I'm gonna say 50,
You're close to one last guess.
75.
It feels like 45, 50.
For the inside,
I'm thinking 60, 70 now. It's warm inside, yeah.
you're closer with 60. I'll give you one final guess.
Is it 55?
You see, about 80,
All right, you're a little bit too high on 80. I'm gonna give you a second guess though.
55.
110.
It feels like the texture feels good. And that's like it's a tough hoodie. I feel like it's around 64.
64? All right, you got it, bro.
Now this video in particular did okay. It did not do too crazy. We didn't have that many different guests throughout the video, but I think it still did well and still performed well, solely because of the engagement all the way through the video, people kind of guessing a similar price and pointing out different details by each person, because that hoodie specifically is now sold out in every single size except for a XXL. But I think that video itself, people were pointing out different qualities, different benefits and features of that hoodie to make the video more engaging and continue to stand out. Video number 3, let's top it up and go through it.
The quality, look at the design, and then guess your price. If you get it right, you get the hoodie for free.
They got a price tag on there? Let's see. 65?
It was $1 out, bro.
Hey.
Had to sniff it.
That's nice. Hold on, let me step. What's your thing?
59.
$59.99.
$59.99.
Alright, that was $5. $5 out.
Ooh. All right.
Wait, it's a bag?
I can see.
That's cute.
Okay, y'all get into the hoodie. Y'all see.
Yeah.
$45.
I'm gonna say like 176 or 65.
Ooh, it's thick. It's like puff prints too. 55.
So this video in particular, I believe that it did well because opening up, the guy comes out with a crazy question: is there a price tag in here? After we just asked him to guess the price. I don't think he was thinking like, why would we put a price tag in a product that we're about to have you guess the price on? But who knows what he was thinking at the time. But yeah, and then going on to the next contestants, where it was the group of guys smelling the hoodie. I think that just overall, the contestants' interactions with the product and the video was just unbeatable interaction that you can't just make up. Like, that was not scripted at all. These people are just like, they were having fun. They were ready to be on camera and ready to guess the price, whether they won the hoodie or not. And then the third contestants, the extra group, also kind of making jokes and laughing throughout the video, kept it really engaging and got the video to do well. And then the last contestant pointing out that the puff print on top of the hoodie showing more details, and then ending the clip off because no one guessed the price in that video. Video number 4.
Once I guess the price right, I get the cue.
Yes, sir.
So starting off, this guy literally just like says exactly what the challenge is. So I feel like him saying that brought in more attention and viewers throughout the entire video, just because he started off the video on his own, like asking the question back that we stated. And we did not tell him to say that, he just said it because he was asking the question, and it just worked out perfect for the timing. If you're gonna catch people's attention, you have to catch it within the first 2 or 3 seconds of them before they even scroll. Like if you see a TikTok, you're watching 2 seconds and you're scrolling if it's not engaging. So
This shit feel heavy, bro. I like that. Damn, this the front. It looked too good. I'm gonna say 65.
Man, it's like some retro colors. I'm gonna say 85.
85. All right, you're a little too high. I'm gonna give you one more guess though.
80. That's fine.
It feels really nice. 100?
Serious heavy. 150.
I'm gonna give you a second guess.
115. 65.
65. 55, 65. What's your final answer?
Go at 55.
So in this video, it is people literally guessing super close. Like the last guy literally said 55 or 65, and I believe the second guy said first or second guy said 65 as well. So that's just absolutely insane that people are guessing super close. But since our price is 64, they are not getting the right price and they are not winning a free hoodie. Yeah, I believe that video wasn't just engaging the entire way through, just because people are literally, you know, pointing out details, guessing the price super close, and like it's just the people watching the video can also relate because they're, you know, they're a similar demographic. All right, so look, I completely forgot to go over video number 5. I'm about to review it right now for y'all, so let's get to it.
If you guess the price right, you get to keep the hoodie.
Cool. I like the design, like the color, the colorway, like those little details on the back, like stands out. Like definitely would cop this one. It'll be around like $50, $60.
50, 60. You're closer with 60. I'm gonna give you a second guess.
70.
It's got some nice quality. Alright. I'm gonna guess around 58.
I like the back design. The back design is actually hard. I'm gonna guess $55. I like the back, man. I'm gonna do like 75. I would say like $59.99.
So for this video in particular, I think it is very straight cut. I think there was only 1 second guess, and that was the first guy. And to be honest, he was kind of awkward at the very beginning of the video, but he went through with it. He did give out some pointers. The second guy, very straight cut, just straight up to his guess. And I feel like that was honestly all the way through. This video did not perform, you know, amazing for us, but it did still get some numbers and get some views. But yeah, let's get on to number 6. Now this video right here is going to be our number 1 video. It's going to be our best performing video. It has over 1 million views. Pop it up on the screen right here. However many views there is, we're going to put that up because it is absolutely insane. It's insane. The video has over 1 million views. We have gained so many followers and so many sales based off of this video specifically. So let's watch it and break it down.
Yo, my man. Yo, you down to guess the price of this hoodie to get it for free? Let's do it. Pull it out, feel the quality, look at the design, and then guess your price.
I think 5. It got good material. I like how heavy it is. Don't stand.
Feel the inside.
Oh yeah, that's nice. That's nice. That's different. I would say about this hoodie, like $80.
80 bucks?
Yeah.
All right, you're a little bit too high. I'm gonna give you a second guess though.
I'll say like 55.
Yeah, that's good. 99.
I'll give you a second chance. One last guess.
60.
I ain't gonna lie, the package is hard though. Yeah, that's hard, bro. Quality nice. 75. Feels like good quality, man. So fast. Pretty, bro. Like 69 to 89 bucks, man.
You're closer with 69. I'm gonna give you one more chance.
So am I up or down on the 69? Give me that much?
Up on 69.
So I'm gonna say 59.99.
So this video in particular, it did do very well. So I would say mostly because of the engaging intro of walking up and catching that guy walking away, but we still got his attention, got him to shoot the video with us and guess the price, and he was super close. He pointed out some details, which was amazing. Second guy guessed really high, so it made people really want to figure out what the price was if they did not already know the price. A lot of our viewers do know our hoodie prices at this point, but I believe this guy did help us, you know, kind of set the bars very high for anyone who has not seen these videos yet. Moving on to the guy number 3, contestant number 3, he was, complimenting the packaging, he was complimenting the hoodie. He was saying that he liked the hoodie, so his guess was a little off, but it still kept the viewers engaged all the way through because it was a like 58-second long video. And then the final contestant was a couple dollars off again. He got us to engage with him, asking if he was closer or up or down, and I feel like that was a beneficial part to keeping the viewer engaged and keeping the video lasting longer, seeing if he got the price right or if there was another contestant coming. But it just cut right there and then restarted the video. I feel like those are the key points on why our #1 video did so well and is continuing to grow because we are continuously getting views on that video. Moving on to our most recent video is going to be just filmed the other day and just posted a couple days ago.
If you guess the price right, you get the hoodie for free.
I said about 100. The quote, man, I mean, this is facts. This is facts. Make money, not friends, bro. I ain't gonna lie, I'm gonna say 80.
I'll say based on the heaviness of it though, probably about 55.
Are you a little too low with 55? I'm gonna give you a second guess though.
60. Shit. I'm gonna say about 70.
Are you a little bit too high with 70? I'm gonna give you a second guess though. What stands out about the hoodie to you?
Detail, bro. Material. I'm gonna say like 60.
But I do want to ask you, what stands out about the hoodie to you?
The color red. 70.
So I would say for this video right here, it is doing pretty good. We just uploaded today, it's at 11,000 views, which is pretty good compared to some of our other videos. I feel like we have been in TikTok jail for the longest time. But yeah, so this video specifically, I think it's doing good because the first guy that you see holding the hoodie, he's like dangling it down. He's not even really paying attention, but he says,
I said about 100.
He literally guesses $100 without even like grabbing onto the hoodie, so that just right there sets the bar very high, and you're really wondering what him and his friend in the background are gonna say or do during this video, just because they don't seem like they really want to touch the hoodie, but they want to guess the price. They want to get the hoodie for free.
Quote, man, I mean, this is fact.
Second guy is literally at work on the job, on the clock. He is guessing the price of this hoodie. Him being on the clock makes it even more engaging to see if he gets in trouble by his manager during the video, or if he does guess the price and win a free hoodie while he's on the clock. And he's literally pointing out details, saying that the statement itself is a factual statement for him to relate to. So, third contestant is going to be a little bit blurrier, but he's still guessing the hoodie about it. We had to go catch up to him. We had an amazing clip, but somebody ran right in front of the video, so we had to work with what we got, which was the blurrier clip. But he still guesses, and points out some details about the hoodie.
I'll say based on the heaviness of it though, probably about 55.
And he literally guesses, low, which is unfortunate, but then he like goes up $5 higher and he's super confident with it. He's like, you could see it in the video. Moving on to our second to last contestant, he's just like super happy. He has bright pants on. And he's guessing, the price and quality material. He's telling you everything about the hoodie.
I'm gonna say about 70.
Are you a little bit too high with 70? I'm gonna give you a second guess though.
I'm gonna say like 60.
So that second to final contestant did get the price very close. He says 70 and then he jumped down to 60. If he would have hit it at 64, he would have got the hoodie for free. But moving on to our last contestant, he's literally, his only thing that stood out to him was that it was a bright red hoodie. He was the only one inside of his group that wanted to be in the video. But yeah, he guessed the price super close. And
what stands out about the hoodie to you?
The color red.
And that, like him and everyone else in the video and the previous videos guessing super close to our price point is amazing. That means that we're doing a great job at keeping our prices low, and I feel like $64 for our hoodies is absolutely insane. Unfortunately, our hoodies are going to be going up a little bit in price just to make it make all sense. It's either we're going to have to raise our prices or lower the quality of the hoodies just because our manufacturers and the shipping cost is going up a little bit. So we got to work to make those make sense for us and continue to sell these hoodies to y'all. But yeah, that's all the 7 videos and the main reasons why I think that our videos are blowing up. And I believe that the second video is gonna do crazy numbers. very, very soon. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you want to see next. If you need any help, send me an Instagram DM at the Instagram here. Peace, YouTube.